Fixing my beads for a day. I never fix this out. Good. Using 2 tweezers only. Guys, it's gonna be hard. So we have to just draw them out. I can't. But what I have to do. Okay. That. The one is stop. No, it's fine. Let's go to the other. This one tweezer is really hard to get some things, but this it's really easy. Like when you do that, you just do it in one time, it will clearly not wrong. Because look, what's the same? It's not the same. I just want to. So it's gonna be hard. Oh, it just fall. We put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 6 pala. Nalagay ko. Kapoy na. Tired na ako. Oh. Nahulog pa talaga. Ginayos ko na lang ko. It's unfair. I know it's unfair. I don't know, Mike. Una ko na nga yung mga mga ganito. Mas madali. May napasok. Wala na. Okay, wala. Puta. Hulog, be. What is it? Don't mind that. It's empty. How much a video? It's a 5 minutes of video of this, and I clearly have this on. Can you see it? I'm gonna make part 2 or hanggang kailan na part. Sa matapos ko talaga. Magpuyat na naman ako. Nagpuyat ako kahapon. Don't be mad because I'm the one. Pasok! Sinabi ng pasok, kaya ayaw mo magpasok. Gid, sulog ka man din. Bukas yun. Kasya siya. Di ko siya matapon. Ayaw talaga na. Wala pa tayo sa white. Hirap kasi ng white. Ay, puto. Nagdadaya. Bakit? Damat akong gipambutang dari bala. Why did I speak Ilongga? Kisulat ko pero letter I talaga to siya, guys.